make an account on Escape AI. In order to do that, you just need to head over to the escape.ai, and then from in there, click on this sign in. Now in here, you just need to see in here this sign up button on the bottom. Head over and click on that, and then it will actually show you this. Now click on this right here. You can add your email or password, but for this case, I'll head over and then use my Google account in order to make this more fast. So in here, let's just wait for this, and then it will register Google. So just enter in here your account. Just head over and click on that and click on continue in order to successfully make an account on Escape AI. Now, once you're done with that, you just need to head over and add your avatar. You can choose in here for the avatar that you want. You can also add in here your user. So let me head over and add in here a picture. Now, just enter in here the username. So for example, let me head over and add this. And then you can also add in here your display name. And then just click on this I agree and click on this submit. Now, as you can see, this will load. So let's just head over and wait for this. Now, as you can see, we have now successfully created an account on Escape AI. So that's how you make an account on Escape AI. How